One of the reasons this is so short is that, thank you. One of the reasons this is so short is because the editor made me remove about half of it because he said a lot of it was politically incorrect, and I don't even have that kind of stuff. I don't even have it anymore. Anyway, this is my offering. It starts off with the pranam prayers, which you know. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prastaya Bhutale Srimati Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namani Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharanina Visesa Sanyavari Paschatidasa. Only you can make this world seem right. Only you can make the darkness bright. On a morning walk on September 30th, 1975 in Bombay, now Mumbai, you had a lively conversation with a Dr. Patel. While the two of you were discussing Christianity, you beautifully encapsulated the Savai Pumsam verse in 4 English words that refer to Jesus Christ. He is our guru, quote unquote. Endlessly mutable, places of misery, the Gita explains, a sovereign country brings nothing but pains. What a goodly outside evil hath, handsome demons in need of a bath, make national borders bastions of wrath. Srila Prabhupada, please stand beside me and guide me through the night with your love from above. Only you can make the darkest bright. Only you can make the world seem right. Your servant, Mukunda Goswami.